Welcome back to Holly's, everyone. Today I am going to do a pour painting, and as you know, I was doing a lot of these, and then I kind of fell off, and it's one of my favorite things to do though. And this is going to be a part one for a two-part painting, and this will serve as my background for the painting that I'm going to do. We are going to use this as our background for the upcoming painting that I'm doing. I'm going to add some more white to it. It's a really pretty blue. This was called Mountain Blue, and I like it. It's pretty. Just want to get this nice and coated here. That's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice, guys. I like it. Hold on, I'll show you in just a second. Let me get this off of here. I don't want it to be too white, and I want a lot of the white to come through the blue, and it looks like it's working, so I do want to keep a little bit of white on there. But I want to get most of it off and have it shine through the blue, which it's starting to do, as you can see here. And it's going to be very pretty. Alright, let me get some here. Just get this moving. I should have put my gloves on. It'll be okay. A little paint is okay. Alright, that looks great. Get this off here. Whoops! Oh well, it'll be alright. Okay, and let me get a paper towel. Look how pretty that is. That is so gorgeous. I might save that if it doesn't soak in. Okay, I'm just going to hit it with the torch real quick and get some of the cells to come out. Ooh, there they go. Yes, it's going to be gorgeous.